Hey, let me show you how we can reorder your settings on a Samsung S25. So for example, if you are often opening display, you can actually get it at the first place. And take a look now. When I'm gonna open it, it will pop up just right here. There we go. Now it's at the top. So how it actually looks, how we can actually do this, you have to actually go into the into the Galaxy store, and you have to search for this application, Good Luck. This one, and you have to just download it on your phone, then open, and now just wait for the loading screen. You have to search for the plugins Registar. Once you actually open it, and just tap on it and wait for the loading screen. Now tap to customize your settings home, select menu order and group settings, and here you can actually use this feature, so you can put anything wherever you want, and finally you have to click save.